Hello everyone! Today I will share 2 ways of making Chinese soy sauce eggs with soft boiled eggs. It's one of the most popular street foods. I'm sure you'll love this simple and delicious dish. Let's begin! First, cook the eggs. Half-fill a large pot with water and bring it to boil. Add a small pinch of salt. Lower the eggs into boiling water carefully using a ladle and slow down the fire immediately. Simmer for 6 minutes for softer texture or 7 minutes for harder texture. Stir the eggs in first 2 minutes. Then transfer the eggs out to cold water and gently peel the shells after cooled down. Option 1. Soy sauce version. In a small pot, add water, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, salt, sugar, and Chinese 5-spice powder. Bring to boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Add soft-boiled eggs to the marinating sauce, soaking for overnight 12 to 20 hours until well salted. Option 2. Fresh chili version. Mix everything in a container, including light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, aromatics, salt, and sugar. Stir to combine. After peeling the eggs, soak them in the sauce. Soaking for overnight 12 to 20 hours until well salted. Not only are the eggs edible, this sauce can also be used to mix with rice. It tastes delicious. That's all for today's dish. Give it a try. See you next time. Bye!